Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, I'm going to share last 1 month preparation strategy for the upcoming SEBI legal exam with you. Now SEBI legal exam is on 27th of July. You can fill the application form till 30th of June. So if there are still some parts of the application form which you have not filled or it is still pending on your side, I'll advise you to do it as soon as possible. Don't wait for the last date. Your phase 1 exam is on 27 July, so you have 1 month in hand to prepare for that exam. And I hope you are well aware of the exam pattern by now. Phase 1 is only qualifying. You need 40% score out of 200 in the two papers, 30% in paper 1 and 40% in paper 2, an overall score of 80, and you will be able to clear phase 1. And then phase 2 also has two papers and you need to get sufficient high cutoff. I have been sharing study plan complete guide cutoffs with you many times. You can check my previous videos. You can also check the community post on this YouTube channel. There you will find complete guide which can give you all the information relating to SEBI legal exam and help you guide you in your preparation for this exam. Here in this video, I am going to discuss certain scenarios with you. Now there could be different types of students who have their preparation at different levels. So here we are taking 4 levels. Let's say a student is just starting the preparation for this exam now. I want to clear one thing. If you are not prepared for phase 1, you are not at all prepared for phase 2 right now, you have just come to know about this exam, you still have the opportunity to clear the exam. You still have the chance to clear this exam. You will definitely have to put in that hard work, that dedication, and probably a lot of time. But yes, you can clear this exam. Be confident and start your preparation. Now in the first category, the students who are just starting, they have not even prepared for phase 1. Phase 2 is also not prepared. So here what you should do, forget about phase 2 and start your preparation with phase 1. Once you have covered certain portion of phase 1, then you can think of switching to phase 2. But right now, don't think about phase 2 at all. After phase 1 also you have 30 days, more than 30 days, and you can prepare for phase 2 in that time. It may take more time for you, but you can do that. Here last year selected candidate Mrinal's success story can help you out. He is prepared for this exam after the notification and didn't even touch phase 2 before phase 1, and yet he was able to clear the exam. So you can take some cues from his preparation strategy. Coming to second category, students who have not prepared phase 1 at all and prepared phase 2 20%, 50%, 70%. So if you are among those students who have not prepared phase 1 at all, now is the time that you should start with phase 1. You can switch your strategy to phase 1 and come back to phase 2 a little bit later. Coming to another aspirant who has prepared phase 1 earlier or has attempted past year exams and has cleared phase 1. So I'm saying, let's say the aspirant has covered 50% of phase 1 and is confident that he will be able to manage phase 1 easily. He has not at all touched phase 2, then you can choose to devote 10 to 12 days to phase 2, and then for the next 18 to 20 days you can revise and practice phase 1. Try to cover certain portion of phase 2 in this 10 to 12 days. You can definitely cover the securities law, rules and regulations and some of Companies Act in 10 to 12 days. Coming to the last category which I have included here are the students who feel confident about phase 1, have prepared 50% or even more of phase 1 and also have been subsequently preparing for phase 2. 40 to 50% syllabus of phase 2 is already covered and are confident about phase 2. So here you can continue with your phase 2 preparation, cover the remaining portion of phase 2 in next 8 to 10 days, and then for the last 20 days you can switch to phase 1, attempt mock tests, practice questions. And this is how I think you can find where you fall and you can prepare for this SEBI legal phase 1 exam. To discuss this more in detail, I am conducting a workshop tomorrow, a free workshop on SEBI legal preparation strategy for the last 1 month. You can join this workshop and discuss all your queries with me. I can discuss preparation strategy which is very specific to you and based on your profile if you come to this workshop and share your queries with me. In order to join this workshop, you will have to register using the link that is present in the description. Don't forget to join on 28th June at 7 p.m. If you are appearing for this exam, you are preparing for this exam and you need any form of guidance, preparation material, summary sheets, mock tests, and various other content, you can check out our SEBI Legal online course. To know more about the features, about the offerings, about how this course can help you, you can call us on this number. We have been guiding students in their preparation journey for SEBI Legal over the past 3 years, and last year, when there were 25 vacancies, 12 of our students got selected as legal officers in SEBI. 10 of them were our SEBI Legal course users and used our material comprehensively, and 2 were our interview course users. So if you're interested in our course, enroll now and make your preparation 50% faster. If you want to discuss any of your queries with me, don't forget to join this workshop. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.